Hey guys, Chef Gooch here. I wanted to talk to you a little bit about knives. Got a lot of questions about some of the different knives we use on the show. So let's start off right here. This is really common. This is a chef's knife. So this is a very versatile knife. It's got a curve in the blade so you can do a variety of cutting styles. The tip can be used for like fine detail work. The heel can be used to rock it, and the belly can be used to do all sorts of slicing and other techniques. So that's a really common one. That is the chef's knife. Up next, we've got the santoku. So this is a Japanese style chef's knife. It doesn't have as big of a curve, and the end is not quite as fine. This one is really good for a lot of chopping of vegetables, but it still has some of the versatility of that chef's knife, so you can still cut big pieces of meat or other things like that. Now, those two are in between. This one, the santoku, is in between the chef's knife and this other funny shaped one, which is called a nakiri. A nakiri is a vegetable knife. It is meant for chopping. You can do a variety of chopping and slicing on vegetables, but not having that point and not having very much of a curve to the blade, it's not going to be great for slicing meats. This small one is called a petty knife. If it had more of a curve to it, it's a boning or a fillet knife. This one's kind of flexible though, so I do use it for a lot of boning. Small prep work when I'm doing small vegetables or garnishes, this is great, but it does do the job when I'm having to do some boning and cleaning up various proteins. All right, and then last we just have a big slicer. So this one is a Japanese version of a slicer. It's single bevel, so it only has that beveled edge on one end, and this one is designed for a right-handed person. This is a little bit more of a professional knife and a little more focused. It is for slicing not just fish. Raw protein is great, but it does a great job of slicing cooked proteins as well. You can also use this to fillet fish, get the skin off, but we mostly use it here for carving like big chunks of meat. And there you go, that's the majority of the knives that we use, and it's always important to pick the right tool for the right job.